Hi, I'm Tegan from Winnipeg Public Library, and I'm here today to share with you a rhyme all about rain. It's called Rain is Falling Down, and it's a great rhyme for kids of all ages. If you are doing this rhyme with a baby, you can give them a little tickle on their side when the rain is falling down and a gentle splash on their tummy. But you know what your baby will like the best. And if you're doing this rhyme with a toddler or a preschooler, well, they can rhyme along with us. So first thing we'll do is get our fingers up. These are our wiggly rain fingers. So we're gonna give them a little test wiggle. Oh, excellent, good job. All right, here we go. Rain is falling down, splash. Rain is falling down, splash. Pitter, patter, rain is falling down, splash. Fantastic job, everybody. Okay. We are going to do that rhyme one more time. So we start out, rain fingers up, give your fingers a little wiggle, and here we go. Rain is falling down, splash. Rain is falling down, splash. Pitter, patter, rain is falling down, splash. Great job, everybody. Grown-ups, you can find more rhymes, songs, and stories at our website, winnipeg.ca/library. And remember to take time to talk, sing, read, write, and play every day.